sound. Oh. Make sure. Guys, you can see. This is my first vlog. Not first vlog. This is like that. Because I can't move my camera. I don't.
As you know, guys, like being an international student, you have to do all of the things at the same time. So what I'm doing, like I used to cook, I think two or thrice a week. So I'll make sure everything should be cooked in the quantity, and this way you don't need to wait for just took your bowl and pour some pulses and whatever you have cooked and put in the microwave and heat it. And because this is the best way to balance your work, your study, and your life. Because every time, if you cook every day, every night, to be, you know, so you have to. That's why I used to cook. Today it's a black chana. People must know about this one. It's a black chana. So I cut 2 onion, as you see. So I cut 2 onion. A chapati, like Indian usually use the chapati. I use instead of chapati this bread, but this is unusual. Now it's expired, so I have to put in the bin. Guys, here's something. As usual, it's rain. The last one, they see, rain. See water. There's my dustbin. It's full of. You must have a big container like this one. If you don't have, you must buy, and because only that way we gonna do, like, use this vegetable oil. We don't. It, and it's almost done. The gas is full. Let it down. Now get ready. So guys, you know, guys, while living in the abroad, like, you miss your family. I miss mine too. But this onion make me cry more. I usually don't like the rice. The reason is mucus. Yeah, I used to have mucus problem. So keep watch what I'm gonna do. Okay. This is my 10 kg bag of flour. Okay. So I gonna put flour in it in the bowl. Bowl is a pan. So that's it. As per the chapatis which I require. This back, this one. Okay. I have a solution. The solution is this. My friend has given me. Okay. So what I got is I don't know what you call this one. But it's really walkable. It's really.
smash this one. Okay, got a place here. My mother is watching me, I know. See, my cook is ready, and probably my upcoming wife wants to know, like not want to know, she must be happy that my hubby is so talented, not talented. Just make it something. Okay, let's get started. Have some water.
Came in our country. And so it's a jokes apart, but so it's really, I think I need a little bit more oil because it requires an initial stage. Man, what happened? So we fell off. Good man. Excellent. Okay, so guys, let's start. So I'm gonna put some of that much, okay? And make it like this way. Okay? Oil won't let it stick to the pan, okay? So it can easily come out. Just in the initial case. What's that thing, man? Okay, see, our chapati is going to be solid. We don't need to use our hands, that's all. See? While pressing, I bend it. As I told you, we need just initially. Oil should be on the initially. Oil should be on initially. So this way we're gonna make more. So that's it. You're gonna easily be useful. Okay. So this way we're gonna make some chapatis. Our chanaa is ready. Almost. It's almost ready. Put some teaspoon, man. The last thing that you're gonna add in the chanaa. It's the most delicious. We call it kasturi methi and fenugreek. We call it fenugreek in English language. Fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Super, man. So add some fenugreek leaves in the. Okay. Like this way. See. Amazing. And here we have our. Ready? Still. We have to wait. It's not ready yet. Okay. Let's keep waiting. Guys, it should be like bubble. Make a bubble like this way. Okay, this way you gonna. That's the main reason. Like we can say these are the symptoms, not the symptoms. These are the signs that it cooked very well. Okay, so cook like this way. You don't need to worry about this one. And the bottom is always remain like this way. Okay, so it's a great food. You producers, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys.